If you're here for my last video on the top 5 AI tools for creators, you'd remember that segment about the music generation tool Suno. When I talked about it last time, it had to be on a Discord channel and it was a completely separate app from your web browser. This time, things have changed and they've gone for an upgrade. Today we're going to go over the key features of Suno. If you're new here, my name's Alex and I go over interesting developments in AI and how to turn your dreams into works of art. So on my last video about my 5 AI tools, we talked about how you can download Suno and make your own music just by inputting a few keywords. If you type in chirp, you'll be able to come up with your own music and make your own lyric. However, since that video, they've gone and made their own website. Now, instead of going through Discord, you can go right onto your web browser and type in Suno AI and make your own song. I love this a lot more because it's right in your web browser and you can actually hear some demos before you even get started. Woke up this morning feeling kind of blue. So how you get started is you're going to log in. You're going to click make a song. It's going to take you to this library where you'll be able to preview even more songs and more melodies to accompany your new creation. Another year's come and gone, and I'm not where I long to be. Snowfall on the city. And what I love about this web app is that it's a lot faster and a lot easier to navigate as compared to the Discord app. So in order to get started, you're going to go to create. You're going to log in to Google. You can log in through Discord as well, but I'm going to log in through Google. And you're going, just like you did on the Discord app, you're going to type in your own creation. You can click here in custom mode and actually make your own lyrics so that it can make a beat for you and sing the lyrics for you, or you can click random. Okay, but for right now, let's get started with song description, and then later on in the video we're going to do custom mode and I'll show you exactly what this is capable of. So right now the holidays have just passed, so I'm going to type in a song to celebrate the new year with a classic rock beat. I'm going to click create, and the Discord app, if you remember, took about 1.5 minutes to generate. This one is a lot faster, so let's take a listen to this first one that it created called Raise Your Glasses. Like the pages in a book, we've had our highs and lows, but we made it through. Now it's time to leave the past behind and start anew. So let's raise our glasses high and toast to what's to come. It will keep going. It goes on for about 1 minute, and it came up with 2 iterations of this. Why I love this website app so much more, though, is that you can like it, you can dislike it, you can share it right from here, but you can also remix it. So like a lot of other AI tools, you can come over and actually change the words on it. You can change the style, right? You can change the title of your anthem. So it's a lot easier to create new songs based on a song that you already created instead of starting from scratch like with the Discord app. Let's take a listen to the next one. Well, it's a brand new year and it's time to celebrate. We're gonna rock all night. We ain't gonna wait. No way. Now the guitar. Let's make some noise. Raise your glasses high. Let's rejoice. So as you can see, that was a lot more classic rock oriented. The instrumentals were AI, the voice was AI, the lyrics were AI generated. And with the Discord app, it was a lot more disjointed. The beat was a bit more silly. The lyrics weren't sung as much as kind of auto-tuned. This is a legitimate song. And as you can see down here, you can always create a new one, right? You can remix it right at the touch of a button. It'll come up here. You can change the lyrics right from there. It'll give you the lyrics so that you can change it yourself. So as you can hear, this one's a lot more classic rock oriented than the first one. And I grew up on Grateful Dead, Leonard Skinner, and all that, and I love classic rock. And this one's right up my alley. And I do appreciate that even the cover photo, the album cover, song cover is even related, right? With the guitar and the New Year's fireworks and champagne. With this website, It does say a 40 credit limit. However, you can always buy more if you really wanted to, or you could just go on this Discord app and those are unlimited credits. However, they're definitely not as high quality as these are. Let's come over here and create another one. And this one, I'm going to create and put in the same prompt that I put in for my last video. But let's see how much better the web version is compared to the Discord version. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type in a starfish. Let's compare this song, Wishing on the Ocean Floor, to the last song that was made through Discord.
Oh, by your side. Oh, sponge, won't you please come back to me? Together we'll explore.
Compared to the Discord version, it's not even, honestly, it's not even comparable. This is night and day better. Since this is web-based and AI-based, this is going to constantly get even more and more impressive. And even more so, I can click on remix and I can change it. It does say heartfelt. Let's say I wanted to make it, I'm not going to make it death metal, but let's change it to alternative rock instead. It's going to come up with 2 more. So I can actually listen to this one in the meantime while these 2 are generating.
Ocean where the corals grow. A little starfish lies on the ocean floor. He wishes he could swim with the sharks and play, but all he wants is to be with his friend every day. Oh, I'm a starfish wishing under the sea. I wanna be with Sponge, my best buddy.
Now let's see what it created when I asked it to make it alternative rock instead.
Underneath the waves, there's a starfish I adore. With every ocean breeze, I miss him even more.
Right. Now I can change it to alternative rock. I can also, let's see what happens if I go to and type in the style of one of my favorite bands of all time, especially growing up, Linkin Park. Let's see what happens now.
Oh, by your side. Oh, Sponge, won't you please come back to me? Together we'll underneath the waves, there's a starfish I adore. Every ocean breeze, I miss him even more. Wishing I could swim to a place where you reside, to be by your side, oh, by your side.
Now I'd say let's compare these songs to the Discord ones, but it's not even a contest. This website version of Suno is on a completely different level in terms of music generation, the AI voice itself, as well as the mix and the beat. It's so much better in every way.